Hello, are you girls enjoying the snow? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you throw snow to Ate? Ate Genesis? You stay there, Jen. Are you cold? Ayaw mo kasi mag-gloves. You don't want to wear your gloves. That's enough. Ay! Not in the face! Not in her face, Aunt Genesis! No! That's enough. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on. You don't want the jam? Kasi naman, you're putting it in her face eh. Asha, let's go inside na. Let's go. Come inside na, come on. It's cold na, come on, let's go, girls. Bye-bye. Bye na, bye. Careful. Jam, let's go. Whoop. Are you making a snowball? What's that? Oh, what is that? Oh, come on, bye-bye na, bye.
Bye.
Jam, bye muna, bye.